Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Staro Technology. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of Pi Network's future prospects and its incredible potential. Whether you're new to Pi or curious about its long-term possibilities, this video is for you. Why future prospects matter. Before we delve into Pi Network's future, let's understand why it's essential to know about its prospects. Think of it as looking at the future of a game you're playing. Knowing where it's headed can help you make informed decisions and seize opportunities. Mainnet launch. One significant milestone on Pi Network's horizon is the mainnet launch. It's like a game's official release after beta testing. When the mainnet is live, Pi Network will move from its card phase to a fully operational blockchain. This opens up exciting possibilities for Pi. Imagine you've been playing a game during its beta phase, and then it officially launches with new features, more players, and bigger rewards. That's what the mainnet launch is like for Pi Network. Value of Pi coins. As Pi Network grows, the value of Pi coins may increase. It's like seeing the in-game currency of a popular game rise in value over time. As more people join Pi Network and it becomes more widely accepted, the Pi coins you've earned could become even more valuable. Think of your Pi coins as valuable in-game items. As the game gains more players and popularity, those items become rare and more valuable. Use cases and partnerships. Pi Network is exploring various use cases and forming partnerships. This is like a game adding new features and collaborating with other games to create exciting crossover events. These use cases and partnerships can increase the utility and demand for Pi coins. Imagine a game introducing new gameplay modes and partnering with other games for unique in-game events. This keeps players engaged and can lead to the in-game currency being used for a wider range of purposes. Community development. The Pi Network community plays a vital role in shaping its future. It's like having a dedicated group of players influencing the direction of a game by suggesting new features and strategies. As a Pi user, you have the opportunity to contribute to the network's development. Think of the Pi community as a team of players providing feedback and ideas to make the game better. Your voice and contributions matter in shaping the Pi Network's future. In summary, Pi Network's future prospects are incredibly promising. With the mainnet launch, the potential value of Pi coins, diverse use cases, and the power of a thriving community. Just like in your favorite game, knowing the future direction can help you prepare for exciting opportunities. If you found this video informative and valuable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insights into cryptocurrency and Pi Network. If you have questions about Pi Network's future or any other topics you'd like us to explore, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and may your Pi Network journey be filled with anticipation and success.